Hi friends, now we are going to connect my Wi-Fi. I am getting an error message called can't connect to this network. For this I will show you how to solve this. Go to the run. Here you need to type ncpa.cpl and then click OK. It will open on Ethernet and on Wi-Fi. My case Wi-Fi is not connecting. Right click properties of your Wi-Fi and then click this configure option. Here you need to select advanced option. In the property window you need to find the wireless mode. In the wireless mode value it should be different. IEEE 802.11 B slash G slash N is there. Now I will go to B bar G, then click OK. Now we will recheck this. Now we're going to try to connect it. Yes, now my Wi-Fi is connected. That's it. Okay, thank you.